Hi students, today we discuss about the heart in different animals. Heart is a internal organ of the blood circulatory system. So the heart is present in some invertebrates or non-chordates and also possess vertebrates are chordates. But it is simple in invertebrates or non-chordates, but it is complex in the chordates and vertebrates. Here, invertebrates or non-chordates means the animals which does not possess notochord in their body are called invertebrates or non-chordates. What are chordates? The animals which possess notochord in their body are called chordates. Some of the chordates develops vertebral column or backbone. Those are called vertebrates. So, in the vertebrates, the notochord is replaced by a backbone or vertebral column. So, the heart is simple in the invertebrates or non-chordates, but it is complex in the chordates and vertebrates. Heart is a blood pumping organ. Blood pumping organ. So it pumps the blood to different body organs. So heart is a blood pumping organ. The wall of the heart or heart is made by cardiac muscles. What are cardiac muscles? The muscles which made the wall of heart are called cardiac muscles. Cardiac means heart. So wall of the heart is made by cardiac muscles. Here the human body has three types of muscles. First type is skeletal muscles or striated muscles or stripped muscles. Second one is smooth muscles, unstriated or unstriated muscles. And third one is cardiac muscles. Skeletal muscles are, what are skeletal muscles? The muscles which attach to bones are called skeletal muscles. Wall of the viscera possess smooth muscles. So smooth muscles are situated mostly in the walls of viscera or internal organs. The cardiac muscles are situated in the wall of the heart. Heart the usually works of heart does not under conscious control of the organism. So heart is involuntary organ. So its work is does not under conscious control of the organism. It does not undergoes fatigue. It does not undergoes fatigue because the cardiac muscles of the heart contains a large number of sarcosomes. Sarcosomes means mitochondria. Mitochondria. So the number of mitochondria is increased. The energy is also released. So the large amount of release from these sarcosomes. So the sarcosomes or mitochondria of the cardiac muscles supply the energy, continuous the energy to cardiac muscle. So the cardiac muscles does not undergoes fatigue. So the heart is simple in invertebrates or non-chordates. For example, cockroach. Cockroach possesses a tube-like 13-chambered heart. So it is very simple. But in the vertebrates like fish, amphibian, reptiles, birds, and mammals. So here fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals are vertebrates. Vertebrates. All these animals develops backbone or vertebral column. So in these animals, the notochord is replaced by backbone or vertebral column. In these animals, the heart is very complex. First, heart in fish. Fish contains two-chambered heart. Fish contains two-chambered heart. Upper chamber is called atrium. Lower chamber is called ventricle. So two-chambered heart is present in the fish. Here, heart in fish pumps or supply its blood directly to gills. Directly to gills for purification. So, heart in fishes supply the deoxygenated blood directly to gills for purification. In the gills, deoxygenated blood contains carbon dioxide and absence of oxygen. So, this blood supply to gills from the heart. In gills, carbon dioxide of the deoxygenated blood released into water and receive oxygen from water. So now deoxygenated blood converts into oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood contains oxygen. So the heart in fish supply its blood directly to gills for purification. Now gills supply this blood, oxygenated blood to body organs. Now body organs receive oxygen and release carbon dioxide into the blood. Now the oxygenated blood converts into deoxygenated blood. So now the body organs supply its deoxygenated blood to heart. So now heart fills with deoxygenated blood. The heart again supply its deoxygenated blood to gills. So Heart in fishes is called branchial heart because it supplies its deoxygenated blood directly to gills, not body organ. So this is the heart in fishes. So heart fishes contains two-chambered heart. Next, amphibians. Example amphibians. Example frog. Frog. So amphibians. Amphi means both. Amphi means both. So the amphibians exhibits dual mode of life which lives in water and on land. So those are called amphibians. Example frog. Frog lives in water and on land. So frog is amphibian. So amphibians contains three-chambered heart. So this is the heart of frog or amphibians. So amphibians possess three-chambered heart. Upper two chambers are called atria. So this is right atrium, this is left atrium. The single lower chamber is called ventricle. Lower chamber is called ventricle. Now, the right atrium receives deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood. So, the right atrium of the heart fills with deoxygenated blood. Next, the left atrium receives oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood. So left atrium fills with oxygenated blood. Next, the right atrium and left atrium release its blood into ventricle. So ventricle possesses deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood. So ventricle receives deoxygenated blood from right atrium and oxygenated blood from left atrium. So the ventricle of the heart possesses mixed blood. So this is the heart of the frog. Next, reptiles. Here, rapture means creep or crawl. Rapture means creep or crawl. Reptiles, example, snakes, lizards, tortoise, crocodiles, etc. Reptiles possess partially divided three-chambered heart. So in reptiles, upper two chambers are called atria. This is right atrium, this is left atrium. The lower chamber is called ventricle. In the amphibians, the ventricle does not divides. It is single chamber in amphibians. But in reptiles, the ventricle partially divided. So reptiles possess partially divided three chamber heart. In reptiles, right atrium receives deoxygenated blood and left atrium receives oxygenated blood. Next, the partially divided ventricle receives the deoxygenated blood from right atrium and oxygenated blood from left atrium. So, the ventricle of the reptiles also possess mixed blood. Next, so this is the heart in reptiles. Next, birds. Birds, heart in birds and mammals possess completely divided four-chambered heart. So, birds and mammals contains completely divided four-chambered heart. So, heart in birds and mammals possess four-chambered heart. This is right atrium. This is left atrium. This is right ventricle. This is left ventricle. So, four-chamber heart is present in birds and mammals. Here, crocodile. Crocodile is a reptile, but it contains completely divided four-chambered heart. So this is unique character in the crocodile. Actually, crocodile is a reptile. Reptiles possess partially divided three-chambered heart, but in crocodile is a reptile, but it contains completely divided four-chambered heart. So this is unique character of crocodile. So here the right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from different body organs through veins. So right atrium filled with deoxygenated blood. Next, left atrium receives oxygenated blood from respiratory organs. Example, lungs. So left atrium filled with oxygenated blood. Next, the lower chamber, right, such as right ventricle receives deoxygenated blood from right atrium. So right ventricle filled with deoxygenated blood. Next, left ventricle receives oxygenated blood from left ventricle. So left ventricle filled with oxygenated blood. Now the right ventricle supplies or pumps its deoxygenated blood to lungs for purification. So right ventricle pumps its deoxygenated blood to lungs for purification. Next, the left ventricle pumps its blood to different body organs. So, left ventricle supply its oxygenated blood to or pumps to body organs. So, in the birds and mammals, deoxygenated and oxygenated blood does not mix. both are separate. So, right atrium, right ventricle possesses deoxygenated blood, and left atrium, left ventricle contains oxygenated blood. So, in atria and in ventricles, the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood does not mix. So these are this is the heart in birds and mammals. Here mammals. Mamma means milk gland. So the animals which gives milk to their offsprings as food are called mammals. Example: cows, dogs, monkeys, rabbits, human beings also. So these are mammals. So this is the heart in different vertebrates, fish, like fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. So the vertebrates or higher animals possess complex hearts. So